Most people see money as something to spend, but the wealthy see it as a system to multiply. The real difference begins when you understand that credit is not debt, it is a powerful financial tool. While average individuals trade time for money, the rich use financial leverage to accelerate growth. Instead of relying only on cash, they use credit to expand their financial reach beyond limits. Credit allows access to opportunities that would otherwise take years to afford. When used wisely, it opens doors to investments, assets, and scalable income streams. The wealthy don't fear credit. They learn how to control and direct it. They position themselves where money starts working for them instead of the other way around. By leveraging credit, they turn small resources into larger financial outcomes. This strategy creates multiple streams of income that grow over time. Each smart move builds a foundation that supports long-term financial expansion. Rather than spending, they focus on acquiring assets that generate returns. Every financial decision is calculated to increase future value. They understand that ownership of assets is the key to building real wealth. Low-cost borrowing becomes an advantage when it is used for productive purposes. Careful planning ensures that every step leads toward financial independence. Avoiding bad debt is just as important as using good debt effectively. Progress is built step by step, using structured financial decisions. Balance between assets and liabilities defines long-term success. In the end, true wealth begins when your financial system starts working for you. A strong credit profile becomes the foundation of financial expansion and opportunity. The wealthy treat their credit score like a valuable asset that must be maintained and improved. As credit strength increases, access to larger and better opportunities begins to open. Higher limits create the ability to control bigger investments without using personal cash. Instead of waiting, they act early by using available financial leverage. Consistent and timely payments build trust within the financial system. Discipline transforms credit from a risk into a reliable growth engine. Choosing low interest over high-cost borrowing protects long-term profitability. Smart consolidation simplifies complexity and improves overall financial efficiency. Control over finances creates stability, even when using borrowed capital. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt changes everything. Good debt is used to acquire assets that produce income and appreciate over time. Strategic investments made through credit begin to multiply in value. Compounding turns small gains into significant long-term results. More opportunities appear when financial credibility is established. Organization and tracking ensure that every asset performs efficiently. Avoiding unnecessary expenses keeps the system clean and effective. Reinvesting profits accelerates the speed of financial growth. Each step upward is supported by structured and intentional decisions. Stability is achieved when growth becomes consistent and predictable. True wealth begins when financial leverage is fully understood and strategically controlled. Using small resources to control larger assets is the core principle behind financial growth. Diversification ensures that income continues to grow from multiple directions at once. Balancing risk and reward allows sustainable progress without unnecessary setbacks. Optimizing interest and terms increases efficiency in every financial move. Short-term borrowing becomes powerful when it is converted into long-term assets. Passive income starts to flow when systems are built correctly. Growth accelerates
It's when reinvestment becomes a continuous habit. Managing multiple financial tools requires structure, awareness, and discipline. Filtering opportunities helps focus only on what truly creates value. A complete financial system replaces random decisions with strategic execution. Reducing liabilities while expanding assets strengthens long-term stability. Consistency over time builds momentum that is difficult to stop. Scaling investments leads to exponential financial expansion. Financial independence becomes visible when systems operate smoothly. A well-structured system continues to grow even without constant attention. Efficiency replaces effort when automation is introduced into financial planning. Transformation becomes clear when progress is compared over time. Long-term stability is achieved when growth is controlled and sustained. Wealth is not created by chance. It is built through strategy, discipline, and smart use of credit.